Prominent South Carolina attorney Alex Murdaugh. We have learned that more charges could be coming against him for the murder of his wife and son last summer. Correspondent Kelly Beeson is here with more. Kelly, was there any hint at all that all of this was coming today? It's quite a bombshell.
It certainly is, Brian. And if this information turns out to be true, it's a big surprise. Alex Murdaugh was the one who placed that dramatic 911 call after finding their bodies, and the investigation that followed took him from the top of the legal world in South Carolina to a jail cell, indicted on dozens of charges.
I've been up to it now. It's bad.
Okay. Okay, and are they breathing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and you said it's your wife and your son?
My wife and my son.
Alex Murdaugh telling a 911 operator last June that he had just found 52-year-old Margaret Murdaugh and their younger son, 22-year-old Paul Murdaugh, brutally murdered at their remote hunting cabin. At the time, 22-year-old Paul Murdaugh was facing charges in connection with a 2019 boating accident that left 19-year-old Mallory Beach dead, leading some to question if the murders were a form of vigilante justice. Now, Murdaugh's attorney has confirmed to News Nation the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division has advised the family that they intend to seek murder indictments against Murdaugh from a grand jury later this week. The move a surprise to many watching the case.
We don't have a confession or admission that we are aware of by Alex. So this would have to be some physical evidence, maybe gun ownership records to establish that he owns these weapons. It could be fingerprints on the shell casings.
3 months after the murders, Murdaugh called 911 again.
I got a flat tire, and I stopped, and somebody stopped to help me. And when I turned my back, they tried to shoot me.
Investigators say he later admitted to arranging for this man, a friend and Murdaugh's alleged drug dealer, to kill him so his older son Buster could get the $10 million insurance payout. Soon, the investigation unraveled a tangled knot of alleged corruption, insurance fraud, and addiction. Murdaugh landed in jail, accused of relying on his prestige and reputation as a lawyer to divert insurance payouts to his own personal accounts, to the tune of $8.5 million. Still, the motive for the murders remains unclear.
So possibly life insurance. They also may have known something that he didn't want coming to light about these other crimes.
And authorities say the investigation into the murders is still ongoing. They're not releasing any additional information at this time, Brian.
Gosh, this one has...
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to